What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. Happy to have you on here. So today we're going to be looking at a very useful tool or a very underestimated tool that maybe you might use or you might need in the future. So today we are going to be looking at ThunderBit. And so what is ThunderBit? ThunderBit is the next gen AI web scraper. So right now at the moment it's an extension you can install in your browser. And this tool is going to allow you to scrape data in just 2 clicks. You heard that right. It's going to allow you to scrape data in just 2 clicks. So as you can see here, it has already won some awards, Product Hunt, Product of the Week. And it's trusted by a good number of popular brands. I can see here Prima, Grammarly, and many others. Well, I don't know how true this is, but you can already tell that it's already very popular and a lot of people use it. So if you're trying to scrape data from any website and you need a tool to help you do that, well, you can make use of this as well. So it's very easy. It makes use of AI from what they say. And so it can easily help you identify data on the website you are going for and easily map that data how you want it and then easily scrape that data from the entire website or from specific links. So scrape any website in 2 clicks. Extract info using natural language, different data sources, same AI scraper. You can get it from different sources. I can see here websites, images, PDF, subpage scraping as well. Let AI visit each link subpage, extract key information, append enriched, and so on and so forth. And equally has some other features, pre-built templates for popular sites, summarize, categorize, and translate, scrape article, transcript, format, calculate data, and so on and so forth. And eventually, well, you have all your data, you can easily export it in these formats, either an Excel sheet, either an Airtable data, or directly into Notion. So you can easily do that as well. So use cases for this, for example, maybe you're a salesperson, you need to scrape contact information, LinkedIn pre-built scrapers, lead generation, or data enrichment. Maybe you're a realtor, you need some information about the properties in your area, and so on and so forth. You can use this tool to do that. Or maybe you're in operations, you need stock monitoring, price monitoring, customer sentiment, and so on. Or maybe you're just in marketing and you need to make use of that. So you can really use this tool to do a lot of data scraping to match your needs. So instant data scraper templates as well. You can use this for TikTok profile scraper, Apollo scraper, Facebook post comments scrapers, and so on and so forth. So there are many other examples. So yeah, so this is a very interesting tool as well, and it really does a lot of things. So you should definitely check it out, and let's see a little bit of maybe the products, the templates, the resources. I think let's just check out the pricing, because a tool like this, I'm definitely sure it's not going to be free. So it's not going to be free. So as you can see, it's definitely not free. You do have a free version you can get started with, which allows you 6 pages per month with a maximum of 30 credits per page, data export, AI autofill, and data extraction tools as well. You do have that option. I equally have a $9 per month option as well, which allows you to scrape data. So I think the most important feature on this is the AI, which allows you to scrape data just using normal commands, just using English text, for example. So once you install this, you can just tell the AI tool, for example, that get me all the data on this website and put it into an Excel sheet and so on and so forth. So you'll be able to do that as well. So you want to definitely check that as well. So I already see how I'm going to use this. I don't know about you, but I definitely see how I'm going to use this. So let's just, to conclude, let's just check out some templates it already has. Let's say, for example, Facebook does have a lot of data. Let's see some of the templates. Facebook post scraper, Facebook group post scraper, Facebook post comments scraper. So those are the only scrapers it does have. Or let's check out LinkedIn. All the scrapers he has in LinkedIn company scraper, LinkedIn job scraper. For example, if you want to get all jobs and so on and so forth, yeah, you can use that for that as well. So yeah, so there you have it, ThunderBit, which allows you to scrape information from any websites in just 2 clicks. So definitely check it out. Let me know your thoughts and impression about it. If it's something you need, if it's something you use, and how efficient it has been for you. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Catch you on the next one.